Hey everybody, it is Freddy Rudu here from YouTube, and today I'm going to be I have, as you can see by the title, a mystery package. It is from Amazon, and I like watching these kind of videos on YouTube, and I really enjoy making them. So, let's get this thing cracked open, shall we? Alright, let's see what this is going to be. So, first of all, I will say that there are no DVDs in here. Let's see, there's only one item in this box. Okay. And we have Need for Speed, Most Wanted U. The best game ever. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more of my mystery Amazon unboxing videos. Subscribe to my channel if you want. For right now, this is Freddy Rudu of YouTube.com signing off. Peace out, gangstas. Bye.